In today's video, I'm going to teach you get started with the Refresh theme. We'll begin by adding the theme to your store. Log into your Shopify admin and head to Online Store, then Themes. Here, you can either click Add Theme if you've already downloaded it, or choose Visit Theme Store to find the free Refresh theme. Once you add it, it will appear in your theme library, ready to work with. Next, open the editor so you can start making it yours. In your theme library, look for Refresh and click Customize. This launches the visual editor, where the left sidebar controls your content and settings, and the preview on the right shows exactly how your store will look as you make changes. Let's customize your homepage layout. In the left sidebar, you can add, remove, or reorder sections. Think of sections as building blocks: a slideshow for a bold hero, a featured product section to spotlight a bestseller, or a collection list to guide shoppers. Drag sections up or down to change the order until the flow feels right for your brand. To fine-tune a specific area, click directly on a section, such as the header. Inside, you can edit the announcement bar text for promotions or updates, and upload a new logo from the header settings. Keep announcement text short and clear, and use a high-quality logo for a crisp result. For store-wide styles, open theme settings in the left sidebar. Here you control your global color scheme and typography so everything looks consistent. Choose colors that align with your brand and pair readable fonts for headings and body text. This is also where you can upload your primary logo and your favicon. While you're in theme settings, adjust your logo size so it balances well with the navigation. Then upload a favicon, the small icon that appears in browser tabs, to make your store easy to spot when customers have multiple tabs open. Want to add more content? Use Add or Add section to bring in new elements. For example, place an email sign-up form or a contact form in your footer to capture leads and give customers an easy way to reach you. Position these thoughtfully so they support your goals without cluttering the page. As you work, preview your changes in real time. Use the device icons in the preview to check desktop and mobile views, making sure text is legible, images are cropped nicely, and buttons are easy to tap. When you're happy with the results, click Save in the top right. Saving publishes your changes, so give everything one last look, then lock it in. That's it. You've set up the Refresh theme and tailored it to your brand.